Hi there. I'm Candace Ramsey, and I help organizations create thriving and resilient workplaces through a holistic wellness approach. If your team is struggling with burnout, stress, or low productivity, you're not alone. And that's exactly why I developed the Mindful Self Awareness approach. It's a comprehensive program that addresses wellness from three science backed dimensions. First, we start with the mental element, executive coaching, interactive talks, and workshops that build emotional intelligence and leadership skills. Then there's the spiritual element. I host group sound bath meditations that reduce stress and increase mental clarity to ground employees in their why. Finally, there's the physical element. Through sessions that combine Qigong and yoga, we use movement to energize your team and improve focus without the sweat. So, what makes this different? Every program is completely customized to your organization's specific challenges. Whether you're dealing with high turnover, communication issues, or simply want to boost company morale, we design solutions that fit your culture and your goals. The result? Employees who are more engaged, less stressed, and genuinely excited to contribute. Leaders who feel confident and clear headed. And finally, an organization that people are proud to be a part of. So if you're ready to transform your workplace wellness, let's talk about how Mahogany can support your team's success, mind, body, and spirit. Schedule a free consult today.